So it comes to spring and it's all about the dandelion tea. So you just take the heads off like this. Okay, electrical food. You can believe it or not, but this stuff is incredible. So it comes up in spring, springs into action. It's absolutely great for your body. Just showing you how you make your tea, that's all. So these ones I won't pick. These ones here though, I will. So you want to remove, okay, all these little green bits. You literally want to be left with these yellow petals, okay? Okay, it gets a bit too harsh to drink. Okay, so distilled water going in, making my tea. So it's just the petals, all right? And then we warm that up, cover it. There's the one up. Okay, not too hot. You don't want to make it angry. And just as it starts to steam on a slow steam, you just cover it up to keep the fire there, okay? Spirit. Okay, all warmed up. Dandelion tea. Nice and warm. Boom. There is your spring in a cup. And what colour does it look? Golden, like the sun. Golden nectar. Boom.